Hi, Wendy and Dr. Lindsey here. This is a 1-year update on a lady who came in from Italy with female type hair loss covering the front 2/3 of her head, about where my hand is. And the issue becomes two things. One is we shave wherever we're going to work, and so most women don't want their whole head shaved. But if we do half of it, they can comb what hair they have across
to the other
it.
side, yeah.
And two is, like many women, she's got a fairly limited amount of fine donor hair in that donor region. So we did this case up one side of her head, and this is at the end of the case. And then she got her stitches out and went back home, and she sent these pictures in almost exactly a year. And it shows, first of all, how she wears her hair when she teaches. She's a teacher. And the way she pulls it back, you can't see anything, even on the bad side. And then the other picture is what she looks like when her hair is parted, and now you can see, for reference, where we started. And on her treated side, she's got plenty of hair, and on the untreated side, she looks the same as she did before.
Yeah, but she did that. She was able, definitely in a week, when she came for sutures, she was able to cover it. Nobody could see that she had surgery.
And she wore we did her in August, and I guess Italian schools start back, like all teachers, she did about 2 weeks before school starts. And then she was going to come this summer, but COVID.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll see her at Christmas, maybe it'll be next year for the other half. So for females, I am finicky about female hair loss. It's got to be enough to do something about, and it has to be a fight that's winnable, meaning you have enough donor hair and enough hair loss to make the trade-off of having surgery worthwhile, right?
Yes.
So if we can help you, give us a call. Thank you.